Are you ready to let ChatGPT map out your week as a digital nomad? Today is August 19. I'm going to be leaving Da Nang, which is very, very sad to say, on Friday, which is going to be on the 22nd. I'm going to Singapore for about 4 days and then I'm gonna go home finally. I've been traveling and going around most of just this part of Asia for the last 3 months. We were in Japan, we were in Thailand, and we've been in Vietnam for almost a month now. So I wanted to do something fun as kind of a good wrap up to this whole digital nomad series that we've been doing for this month of August by having ChatGPT tell me what I should be doing the rest of the time. So what I'm gonna do is have ChatGPT right on my mini iPad, and I'm just literally gonna talk to it and give it a little bit of my schedule, and keeping in mind the WOW method of giving it context of who you are, what you do, who you work with, the outcome that you want, asking it, are you ready, and the how. So I'm just gonna literally talk to it. So I want you to go ahead and create a 7-day itinerary for the next 7 days traveling. So I gave it the context of who I am, what I do, I work with, the type of things that can expect. I told it that I'm doing a vlog. I told it my schedule in general, of like what I'm doing the next couple of days, my calendar, what it looks like. I don't just fast forward that for you guys, and I also give it the context of when I'm flying, when I'm going to be on flights, and then what I can do in the meantime. And then now it basically gave us like what we can do for those next couple of days. So right now it says, so it basically just gave me a little bit of a summary on what I can do. So it gave me, I'll be in Da Nang in these days, Singapore these days, and then like my meetings that I told it that I'm going to have, so I can schedule around it. So I'm gonna, this is basically making it fun for the vlog. So I just gave it further instructions on what I like, what I don't like. So this is the thing that you can do, or what you need to do when it comes to using ChatGPT, is you want to give it your preferences, what you like, what you don't like, or else it will never know and give you just the most generic answers. So the more specific you are with ChatGPT, the better. Okay, so today is day 2 of doing whatever ChatGPT tells me to do with the rest of my week. And yesterday I was able to do the coffee basically that it told me that I was going to. I did some meetings in the coffee shop. I went back here to wrap up a few focus tasks that I needed to get done. And then I went on a walk at the beach. So I did what it did on the first day. So second day it says that I'm going to do my meetings. I already had my meeting with the amazing Henny. And then I'm gonna go to a coffee shop based off of what ChatGPT told me, and do a quick kind of consulting call with someone that I met the other day during a workshop that I was doing, where I was teaching people how my assistant uses AI. You guys can check out that full video on my other YouTube channel. So right now I'm going to go, and then later it said that I should try to do the Da Nang Cathedral, which is their pink church, for a colorful B-roll, and maybe even have a dinner and have a walk by the Han River, depending on what's going on today, because I am having dinner with a friend that's not so close to the river. So we'll see how it is. But so far it feels kind of nice not having to really think about what I want to do in the day, and having AI just kind of know what my preferences are. So we're gonna do and follow what it says, and then I'll check back in again tomorrow. Okay, so today is day 3 of letting ChatGPT tell me what to do on my last couple of days in Da Nang, and then I'm going to Singapore. I went a little rogue last night because I met up with a friend with dinner. I went to a nice place, and then this morning I also went
ahead and watched the sunrise over Da Nang, which was very beautiful, very serene. I'll pause talking so you guys can hear the waves. And right now, I just finished all of my meetings for the day. Going out and having coffee with a friend, which is on ChatGPT schedule, and it recommended that I go to the Han Market as the last bit of shopping before we leave tomorrow. So I am going to follow that. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so just finished the coffee with my friend. I'm going to get my nails done because I need it. And then I'm gonna go to Han Market because that's where ChatGPT told me that I should go before I leave. And yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying this kind of vlog where I'm kind of just not doing any educational. I'm just kind of following whatever ChatGPT says, and I'll let you guys know how it actually goes. So I just finished my nails. It took a while because they did like a full service. They put like lotion and stuff into my hands, and it was very, very interesting experience. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna be on the way to Han Market. I'm gonna meet my friend Kitty there, and again, just following what ChatGPT told me to do. So today is, I think, day 4 of asking ChatGPT what I should be doing and having it plan my week. And today I'm going to be flying to Singapore. I'm going to be leaving Da Nang after being here for almost a month. I'm going to be really sad. I'm going to miss these views. I'm going to miss our really nice apartment here. And right now I'm just going to get a little bit of work done. I made a few pieces of content. I already did my first meeting with my assistant, my typical meeting with her.
Hi, it's me again. Hi, hi, hi.
And then ChatGPT says just head to the airport because we're paranoid here when it comes to getting to the airport early. And then basically going around the waterfall, indoor waterfall when we arrive at the airport in Changi, and then we're gonna check in. And then tomorrow, we're gonna do the big bus around Singapore. That should be a lot of fun. So far, I've just been enjoying kind of having ChatGPT tell me what to do, mostly because it does know my preferences. Again, it's coffee shops, bookstores, Harry Potter stuff. It knows a lot of this because I've used ChatGPT when it comes to writing a lot of my social media posts. So it's learned a lot of what I like and what I don't like. So as I'm traveling around, I've kind of just been liking it. So hopefully you guys are too. So for now, let's head over to Singapore. But yeah, you have to look it up. So today is our last full day in Singapore. I totally forgot to vlog and talk to you guys the whole time. So basically, what you guys missed is that on Saturday we went around and did the hop on, hop off bus as per ChatGPT, and we went around the Gardens by the Bay, also by ChatGPT. And then yesterday we walked around Arab Street, and then we went to a convention, a card convention with my husband because that's his thing. So that was TableCon. So that was not by ChatGPT, but that was a fun side quest to do. And then we ended the evening at Chinatown by at Maxwell. So that was also by ChatGPT. So I kind of followed, kind of not. Right now we're going to Universal Studios Singapore. Today is already Monday, so this video is coming in late on my YouTube channel. But you know what? That's gonna be part of the fun. So I am gonna end this vlog here. Basically, so far on having ChatGPT plan my week, especially when I'm traveling, so far has been fun because it gave me like something to do versus me trying to figure out everything else that I wanted to do. It just told me what I wanted to do or what I could be doing. So I might be doing it again the next time that I travel. And if you want the prompt, I'll put the prompt in the description below. And I'm gonna enjoy the rest of our wonderful Singapore trip. And if you guys want more of these videos where I'm trying out whatever ChatGPT tells me to do, make sure to let me know in the comments below. And if you still haven't yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button right here so you don't miss any of the videos every Sunday on how to work from home, especially with AI. And if you guys want more videos on how to run a business with AI, make sure to check out my second YouTube channel right here. And of course, the latest video right here. I hope you guys have an amazing day and with the small steps matters. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.